Hello everyone, welcome to the Tkinter tutorial for beginner. This is our first part of the series. In this video, I'm going to discuss about Tkinter. Tkinter is a Python standard GUI package. GUI stands for Graphical User Interface. GUI consists of all of the elements that can interact with the user, such as clicking, resizing the window, input, and many more things. Tkinter is a thin object-oriented layer on the top of Tcl or Tk. Tcl stands for Tool Common Language. A tool common language is powerful but easy to learn dynamic programming language with wide range of application. Tcl is used in web developing applications, desktop applications, networking, testing, administrative, and other fields. Tk is a graphical user interface toolkit that takes developing a desktop application to a higher level than conventional approaches. Tk is a standard GUI not only for Tcl but also for other dynamic programming languages. Tkinter is also very quick and easy to learn. Code can be written both procedurally or object-oriented practice, and you can run code perfectly on any operating system that support Python development. That's all for the video. I hope you guys have little bit idea about Tkinter. If not, then it's okay. While going through this series, you guys definitely know about Tkinter. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video.